In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Tradingview background to white. If you prefer bright charts, want clearer screenshots, or need a cleaner look for presentations and printing, switching your background to white only takes a moment and makes a big difference in readability. Start by opening your chart settings. You can do this in two simple ways. Right-click anywhere on the chart to bring up the context menu, or click the small gear icon located in the top right corner of the chart area. Either option opens the same settings panel. Think of this panel as the control center for how your chart looks and behaves. Once the settings window is open, look to the left-hand menu and select Canvas. The Canvas section controls the appearance of the main chart space itself, what sits behind your candles, bars, and indicators. It's the place to adjust the visual foundation so your data stands out just the way you want it to. Now, change the background color. Find the option labeled Background. Then click the color box next to it. A color picker will appear. Choose pure white for a crisp, bright look, or select a light shade if you want a bit of softness. As soon as you click your color, you'll see the chart update in real time. This immediate preview is helpful for checking contrast with your candles, grid lines, and indicators. If the chart looks a little too bright at first, try a slightly off-white or a very light gray to ease the glare while keeping the benefits of a light theme. With the background set, make sure your change is saved to your chart layout so it sticks the next time you open Tradingview. In most cases, changes are applied right away and auto-saved, but it's always smart to confirm. If you see a save icon or a prompt to save your layout, click it to lock in your settings. That way, when you switch symbols, reload your browser or sign in on another device, your white background will be there waiting for you. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.